Welcome back. So now we are going to try a few problems ourselves. A. What is 21 minus 13? Well, from 21 take away 13, you are left with 8. B. Sorry, it's not completed. 21 plus negative 13. 21 plus negative 13. Well, what happens here? Positive followed by a negative is a negative. So 21 minus 13. We just did that problem. It is 8. Okay. Next problem. Negative 11 minus 7. Negative 11 minus 7. What does that mean? I'm starting in the red and I'm going to go more red, taking away 7, right? So this is negative 18. What is negative 11 plus negative 7? What does it mean? Plus followed by a minus is a minus. So I'll leave everyone else as they are and write down just the combination of the sign. Plus followed by a negative is a minus, negative. Now this is a problem we just did. So this is negative 18. C. 6 minus negative 13. Okay. First take care of the signs. Negative followed by negative is a positive. 6 plus 13. That is 19. 6 plus 13 is 19. We just did. Next. D. Negative 5 minus negative 1. First take care of signs. Negative followed by a negative is a positive. From negative 5, start with negative 5, you are adding 1. So when you add a positive to the negatives, something will get cancelled, right? So you have added one positive, so one negative will go away and you are left with 4 negatives. So that's what negative 5 plus 1 is, negative 4. All right. Few more examples. What is 15 minus 7? From 15 take away 7, you are left with 8. 15 plus negative 7. Well, plus followed by a minus is a minus. 15 minus 7 we just saw was 8. Next. Negative 14 minus 8. Well, you start with a negative and you're going to go more negative. Negative 22. It's the same as 14 plus negative 8. Why is it the same? Plus followed by a minus is minus. So you are starting with a negative and you are going to go more negative. Next. 4 minus negative 9. 4 minus negative 19. Well, first take care of the signs. Negative followed by a negative is a positive. 4 plus 19, that's 23. Four plus 19 is 23. Negative 4 minus negative 7. So you're starting with negative 4. Don't forget to simplify. Negative followed by a negative is a positive 7. Aha, you start with the negative, add bunch of positives. Notice there is more positive than negative. So when things get cancelled, negative 4 will take away 4 positives. You are left with 3 positives. Okay? Negative 4 plus 7 is 3. Let's simplify. Seven minus negative 4 minus 3. So notice parentheses first. So I will leave 7 minus outside as it is. Okay. So 7 minus, I've left it as it is. Inside parentheses will resolve first. Negative 4 minus 3. So you start with a negative and you're taking away something. So you're going to be more negative inside. Negative 7. So what happens with this? Now you have a sign followed by a sign. Negative followed by a negative is a positive. 7 plus 7 is a 14. Okay. Whoops, I forgot the question, right? Negative 9 here, negative 9 here, and negative 9 here. No harm done. 7 plus 7 is 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is a 5. Okay, let's try this. Simplify. 8 minus parentheses negative 3 minus 11 minus 9. So notice parentheses first. 8 minus, we are going to simplify the parentheses first and then negative 9. Negative 3 minus 11. So they are both negative, so your answer is going to be more negative. Negative 3, negative 11. Now, negative followed by a negative is a positive. Plus minus, you go from left to right. 8 plus 14 is 22 minus 9. 22 minus 9 is a 13. All right. Next, let's simplify one more. 12 minus negative 9 minus 6 minus 14. So what are we going to say? We are going to simplify parentheses first. Leave everything else as it is. Now, negative 9 minus 6. Both negatives and you're combining, so it's more negative. 9 and 6, so there are 9 negatives and you have put in more negatives, right? Another way of thinking, you have starting with a negative and you're taking away positive. Taking away positive is like adding more negative, right? Now, negative followed by a negative is a positive. Now you go from left to right. 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 minus 14 is 13. Okay. Now we start multiplication and division in our next video.